All right. This is helping with the backAround coding back question number 3. And we can see the method takes in a string and returns a string. And we have to basically take the last letter and then append it to the front and the end of the original string. All right, so here we're taking the O and put O here and at the end. Here we only have one letter A, so it goes on the front and end. Okay, so the algorithm is pretty straightforward. We just got to get the last letter, all right, and then they're going to return the last letter plus the original string plus the last letter again, right? So basically we're going to return the last letter plus this original string, which is named string coming in, plus the last letter again. All right, so we know that's what's going to happen, and then all we have to do is return or get the last letter, right? So I'm going to make a string variable called last letter and set it equal to str.substring. And to get the last letter, basically, like if you look at cat, that has indices 0, 1, and 2, and a length of 3. So the last letter we could take from that position 2 all the way to the end. For hello, I believe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So O would be in the 4th spot. So if we take from 4 all the way to the end, we would get the O. Alright, so basically that's going to be length minus 1 is that spot. So I just want to call substring with the length of the string. So I'm going to do str.length minus 1, and that'll get the last letter from that spot all the way on, which would just be the single last letter. And I think it'll even work for this case, right? This has a length of 1, so length minus 1 would be 0, so we call substring 0 would get from 0 all the way to the end, which would just be the A. Okay, so we'll get that letter and then return the last letter plus the original string plus the last letter again. Bam. All right, very good. All done. I thought this was Taco Cat when I first saw it, but looks like we're not so lucky. That's more of a palindrome thing. All right, thank you for watching.